Eugenie Bouchard is a Canadian tennis player. She was born as one of twins to Michel Bouchard, an investment banker, and Julie Leclair in Montreal. Bouchard received the WTA Most Improved Player award for the 2014 season and reached a career-high ranking of number 5, becoming the first Canadian tennis player to be ranked in the top 5 in singles format. At the 2014 Wimbledon Championships, she became the first Canadian-born player representing Canada to reach the final of a Grand Slam tournament in singles, finishing runner-up to Petra Kvitová. Bouchard also reached the semi-finals of the 2014 Australian Open and 2014 French Open. Having won the 2012 Wimbledon Girls title, she was named WTA Newcomer of the Year at the end of the 2013 WTA Tour. Bouchard started playing tennis at the age of 5 and was a member of Tennis Canada's National Training Centre in Montreal. She grew up in Westmount, where she attended elementary school at the Study, a private girls' school, and lived on the same street as former Prime Minister Brian Mulroney. At age 12, she moved to Florida with her family. The 4 children attended a private school in Fort Lauderdale. Eugenie was coached by Nick Saviano, where she met one of her best childhood friends, tennis player Laura Robson. From that time on, she was nicknamed the Chosen One by her siblings. Her father established a limited partnership called Tennis Mania to support Eugenie's career. He and 2 investors contributed money to the partnership in exchange for 10% of Bouchard's future earnings when she would become a professional tennis player. At 15, Bouchard returned to Montreal for training. At the 2022 US Open, Bouchard won her first match in the qualifying rounds against Japan's Yuki Naito, but was knocked out in the second round by Czech player Linda Noskova. Bouchard has a twin sister, Beatrice, who is 6 minutes older. She also has 2 younger siblings, sister Charlotte. She and her twin sister are named after Prince Andrew's daughters, Princess Eugenie and Princess Beatrice of York. Her sister Charlotte is named after Charlotte Casiraghi, the daughter of Monegasque Princess Caroline and her then-husband Stefano Casiraghi, and William is named after Prince William, Duke of Cambridge. A proficient student in mathematics and science, she once considered a career as a physician. She is fluent in both French and English. Her favorite tennis player is Roger Federer, whom she met in 2012 at the Wimbledon Bale. She described taking with Federer as a highlight of her life. At the delayed 2020 French Open, Bouchard made it to the 3rd round before losing to eventual champion Iga Swiatek, her best major showing since making it to the 3rd round at the 2017 Australian Open. In February 2019, Bouchard was awarded a wildcard into the Premier 5 tournament in Dubai. She defeated Vera Lapko in the first round before losing to 3rd seed Simona Halep in the second round. In 2015, Bouchard, the top seed at Diamond Games at Antwerp, was eliminated in the second round by Mona Barthel after a first round bye. At Indian Wells, Bouchard was eliminated in the 4th round by qualifier Lesia Turenko. A week later in Miami, after a first round bye, Bouchard was defeated in the second round by yet another qualifier, Tatjana Maria, in straight sets.